Hello everybody. Before we begin, let me introduce myself briefly. I am Pulawat Kamla from Bangkok University Multimedia Intelligent Technology Lab in Thailand. Today I am going to be talking about visualization system for air traffic data. I will begin by the introduction, then I will explain about how to get data of flight feed to our database system MySQL, and then I will show an example of query data to visualize in many different formats. And in the end, we have our conclusions about the problem and is this solution on how to visualize can be adapted to other information. Did you know that travel nowadays has been using more and more public transportation every year, but as reported by the Airport Quotas International or ACI, passenger the public at the world's top 20 busiest airport. The air travel was increased 1.7% in 2019, which more than 1.5 million. It's worth suggesting that international travel is likely to gain strength and supported by the tourism and investment of that country. Let's talk about data used to view aircraft traffic. We use automatic deployment surveillance basket, or shortly called ADS-B, because it is self-locating using global navigation satellite system and beginning information of the data to the operator's database. In other systems, we use both Flight Radar 24 and Aero Databox to cover the required variable of our system. Our visualization is to make our flight data to be more understandable from the left figure. It is a travel data that contains a lot of the information. It is difficult to understand the data. So we change the display to visualize those the data. The left this the visualization can represent is the group of the entire country and individual airport, whether they has the number of flights arrival and departing for the selected airport at the different time. We also have an user interaction feature that's called the interactive visualization. It can allow user to make a comparison of the exporting some new facts from the data. In our system, Flight Radar 24 provided an API for receiving flight information from 5,636 airports worldwide from the December 1st, 2019 until now. To get the most up-to-date information, new data was received and restored in the database every hours, while the original data from the Flight Radar 24 we pasted, converted, and restored in the database. MySQL was used to call geography information from the country boundaries. Next, enjoy visualization of the flight data. This is the demonstration of the website using to display a diagram on the visualization. The example is the case to use on the website in visualization. This is a airport visualization website. You can search the search country example and you search Thailand, select, and they select in the one more show, and the information you see the arrival, the departure, and this and the count a number of flight. So, and you can see the which day of the week and look at the number of the incoming flight to Thailand and select the graph showing the flight arrival and departing from the Thailand by looking at the frequency is worth the further on the lower flight in every Monday, this and this and this, and the high on the Friday, yes, and we look at the Kurpan map and which the country, and this the visualization present Kurpan map of our international flight arrival and the Thailand. The visualization use the and color in shape of the brightness and darkness for the amount of the flights having to the destination to Thai, as the large number of flight arrival to Thai is China, and followed by the Japan, yes, and the Taiwan. Other way, you can search the airport information by the named airport or code. Example, BKK is the Bangkok Suvarnabhumi Airport. Select date and the focus and visualization on the bubble map and to show the color shape may vary from the white to the dark, and the size of the bubble is printed by the number of flights from that the Suvarnabhumi Airport is number 1 is Chiang Mai Airport, and number 2 is the Phuket Airport, and in Koh Samui Airport. In noting that most of them are the domestics in the airport then they come to the Suvarnabhumi Airport. Let me conclude our presentation as a resume of the air traffic data visualization. It is a tool that can be used to present the flight flow in the geographic area of the selected domestic or international airport, which can be used to make a decision in analyzing the factors related to the travel and aviation in the industry. The limited of this visualization is be said to core data, and this is visualization bursts only the direct files, not the connected file. For example, most files from the USA to be Thai must be to transit to the narrator JPEG or other. That means the visualization will present both the direct file and connected file from the narrator end. So some finding from this visualization must be the need to add from information to the interpret the fact at the present other visualization presented. These must on country do not have the right to time. This does not mean that no one from those countries had entered that time during that time, but it can be said that they are not terrified. Finally, if you have any questions, you can ask below the clip and we will answer as soon as possible. And thank you for watching video.